Today, I am reviewing SANSUI 27-inch curved 160Hz gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The SANSUI 27-inch curved 160Hz gaming monitor is a remarkable gaming display that blends speed, visuals, and comfort into a highly competitive package. For gamers, content creators, or even professionals who want a vivid and responsive screen, this monitor offers a strong performance that's hard to overlook. Let's start with its design and build. The monitor features a 1500R curvature, which is deeper than standard curves, meaning it wraps around your field of vision. This curvature improves immersion and reduces distortion, making gaming, movies, and even regular computer work feel more natural. Combined with its matte anti-glare finish, it helps to cut glare and reflections, especially useful in bright rooms or long gaming sessions. When it comes to display quality, the SANSUI 27-inch monitor offers full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080 pixels with a 4000:1 contrast ratio. This means deep blacks and bright whites, giving games and videos more depth and clarity. You also get 110% sRGB color coverage, which ensures vibrant colors for both gaming and creative work. With 300 nits brightness, visuals pop whether you are indoors or in moderately bright conditions. For gamers, this monitor is designed with performance in mind. It offers a 160Hz refresh rate with a 1 millisecond MPRT response time. That means ultra-smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur, perfect for competitive shooters or fast-paced action games. Pair this with FreeSync technology and you get tear-free visuals without stuttering, creating a smoother and more immersive gaming experience. SANSUI adds thoughtful gamer-centric features like black level adjustment, which brightens dark areas without overexposing highlights. It also has preset modes tailored to FPS, RTS, racing, office, movie, and sRGB. This makes it easy to adapt the display for your needs with a quick button press, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or doing office work. Connectivity is also a strong point. This monitor includes HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 ports, allowing for high-speed connections with consoles, PCs, or laptops. It even supports tilt adjustments from -5 degrees to +15 degrees, and VESA mounting makes it flexible for ergonomic setups. The package also includes a sturdy metal stand and an HDMI cable, so you can start right out of the box. One of the standout aspects of the SANSUI curved monitor is its balance of high performance and affordability. You get premium features such as a high refresh rate, deep curve, and advanced color control without breaking the bank. Whether you're a hardcore gamer who needs fast refresh rates, a content creator who values color accuracy, or someone who simply wants a comfortable, immersive display, the SANSUI 27-inch curved monitor delivers a lot of value. Overall, the SANSUI 27-inch curved gaming monitor is a powerful choice that offers excellent visual quality, smooth gameplay, and ergonomic design. It is an impressive all-around option for anyone looking to upgrade their monitor setup, especially for gaming. If you want a monitor that combines speed, immersion, and visual quality without costing a fortune, this monitor deserves a strong look.